I'm with Beijing Hongdee Corporation. Today, I would like to show you our product, digital slit image module. The model name is Phoenix. And now, I will show you how it includes. It includes digital module, the main body, and also short button here, and the screws with different lines, and 3 meters USB cable. Now I will show you how to install it. First, I will take out the binocular head and we connect the slit module here. Then we put back the binocular head. Last is also very important. We connect this USB cable with the module and also the computer. Now everything is ready. Now, first we will use the software to install it in the computer. Double click the software. You just click yes. That means you allow the software work in the computer. This sound means the module can be ready for the work with the computer. On the top to the left, there is the doctor name. You can edit the doctor name here. On the top to the right, there is configuration. You can put the recording time here as much time as you can, and the defaulting time is 20 seconds. On the both sides, left and right, there is an invisible window. You just click this triangle to expand it or hide it. There you can see the left, there is the patient's name for the different files. On the right, there is pictures and videos that you already took. There you can, on the right of the screen, you can see there are 7 icons. First icon is for taking video. You can see there is recording. That means you are taking video. And then the second, taking picture. The third is setting. You can change the contrast. And also there is a wave flip. Wave flip, this you need to uncheck it when the module used with the Z slit lamp. Z-type slit lamp. This one, digital image system, you need to, the files, the patient files. There we have the export, and also for the comparison. OD means change the OD or OS. Now we see the pictures we took. This is the pictures we took. We can edit with the different line and the different color, and also write some words here. Also, we can compare 2 different images. Totally, we can compare 2 images. We need to choose 2 pictures. Select 2 pictures. 这边先关了，有点想不上。We select 2 pictures here, and we click the comparing. You can see there is 2 pictures. And then we can do export. To export the pictures to our computer, there are four ways to taking videos. One is click the mouse, and also we can use the shorter buttons, and we can use the keyboard. Yeah. That's all for the function of the Phoenix. Thank you.